today's video we will see out how to unhide drawing in TradingView. Show and hide the drawing in TradingView in mobile and desktop application. So here you will see in your sidebar in your desktop the drawing icon. Okay, here you will see a eye icon. You can simple tap on it, and here you will see a button called hide drawing. Once you tap on it, here you will see all kind of drawings will be hide. Okay, now to show, you can again click on it and then click on unhide. Okay, here you will see, or you have an option to only hide indicators, hide position and orders, or hide the all kind of drawing. So here is how you can easily do it. Now we will see how we can do in mobile application. To hide the drawing in the mobile application, you can simple open your chart, then after click on the pencil icon in the bottom of your navigation bar. Now tap on it. Once you tap, here you will see the many tools will be open. Now here you will see a hide drawing tool under our measurement. Once you tap on it, here you will see all kind of drawing will be hidden. And again open it and now simple tap on it, so it will show. Once you also click on three dots, here you will see the hide drawing settings will be open to hide indicator, hide position and order, and hide all. Okay, goodbye.